Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. In question number 6, exercise 5C is going on, and it is question number 6 which we are going to do. In question number 6, evaluate the following matrices product if possible. If not possible, explain why not. As I told you previously that matrix multiplication is only possible. I told you then the order of the matrix. About the order of the matrix, I told you, like in part A, you can see I am recalling to your mind that if this is 4, 3, -1 and 5, and the second matrix which is going to multiply with it, -2 and 6. Now you know that the order of the first matrix is 2 into 2, and the order of the second matrix is this is 2 into 2, and this is 2 into 1. This is rows, and column. The column in the first matrix must be equal to the rows in the second matrix. These two must be equal to each other, then we can multiply it. Now I am going to multiply. As I told you, -2 multiplied by 4. This first entry will multiply with 4, and the second multiply with second number. -2 and -4 gives you -8, plus 6 3s are 18. There will be sign of addition in between. And then this -2 -1 gives you +2, 2 1s are 2, plus 6 5s are 30. In the third step, you are going to add them. This will be 10, and this is 32. So here this multiplication was possible. As far the part E is concerned, in the E part, in the E part, 1, 8, and 2, 3, -11 and 20. This is written like this. So here, first of all, here order first matrix is 2 into 1, 2 rows and 1 column. The order here, 2 rows, 2 column, rows and column. I told you that the column of the first matrix must be equal to the rows of the second. Here you can see these are not equal because the column of the first matrix is not equal to the rows of the second. So that is why they cannot multiply. You can write down cannot multiply because column of the first is not equal to rows of the second. This is the reason which you have to describe. Okay. So in this way you can solve. I am also solving another part for the sake of convenience, like G part. Now I'm giving you a part. It's better that you must also solve the part. I'll give you the part which is not given in the exercise. You will have to tell me the answer of that part. This is not the G part, but let me give you. Now you must give me the solution of this. I want the answer like in row 1, in row 2. In this way, you will have to give me the answer. There are two matrices like -2, 5, 1, and -6. And the second matrix is 9, 2, 1, and -2. 9 multiplied by -2 and 1 multiplied by 5. -18 plus 5 ones are 5. From this first column, you are making one column. In the same way, now the lower row, 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. 1 into -6 gives you -6. This is the first row. Now come to the second row. 2 will multiply with -2, and -2 will multiply by 5. Let me erase these lines so that you must be aware for the second multiplication. Look here. The upper one will multiply with the first, and lower one will multiply with the second, and there will be sign of addition in between them. 2 multiplied by minus 2 gives you minus 4. This minus 2 multiplied by 5 gives you minus 10. This is the upper multiplication. Now the same digits are going to multiply with the lower row. 2 is going to multiply with 1, and minus 2 is going to multiply with minus 6. So 2 multiplied by 1 gives you 2, and minus 2 multiplied by minus 6 is positive 12. Now minus 18 plus 5 gives you minus 13, and this is minus 14, and this is 3, and this is 14. This is your final answer. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Again, I told you that when you are multiplying this, so first of all, this this matrix has the one row and three column. 1 into 3. One row, this is the one row, and there are three columns. This matrix has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and single column, 3 into 1. So these two can be multiplied. Okay. Now the upper one, the first element will multiply 2. So 2 2s are 4, and 3 into 6, and the last one will this, and there will be the sign of addition between them. Remember this, because you people are not placing the addition sign. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 3 6 are 18, and 1 over 3 into and 3 gives you 1. Now these are the negative and positive signs. This is a single column and single row. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 18 minus 5 gives you minus 13. So here you can see, as a result, you got a matrix with the order 1 into 1. As I told you previously, that the resulting matrix will have the order like the row of the first and the column of the second. So here 1 into 1, one row and one column. So this is the correct solution of this question. Okay, I hope that you have. Here you can see that there are two matrices we are going to multiply. I told you that this if we are going to multiply, first of all, this column with this row, this column is going to multiply with this row. So this upper element will multiply with this 2, and minus 9 will multiply with 3. The lower one with the second, the upper one with the first, and the lower one with the second, and there will be a sign of plus in between. Okay, and then according to the signs of the elements, we have to place the signs. So keep in mind. Now you can see that 7 2s are 14, plus 9 3s are 27, because this is minus 9. So instead of plus, minus 27. Now you will have to leave the space here. After leaving the space, you are going to write 8 2s are 16, and 4 3s are 12. Okay, the upper one with the first and lower one with the second, and there's a sign of plus. 4 3s are 12. Okay, now here you can see that this gives you minus 27, and plus 14 gives you minus 13, and this is 28. Now here you can check the order of this resulting matrix. This is one row and two column, 1 into 2. As I told you that this is 1 and this is 2. So here the resulting matrix will achieve this. Okay. So I hope that you have understood this multiplication in the second period.